The management team here at Northplex in 2012 decided to move forward on some R&D projects. The main R&D project that we wanted to introduce to the modular marketplace was the new modular basement foundation. We have seen with existing clients in this industry the difficulty that they have in remote locations in getting subtrades and contractors on site to complete such items like the foundation system. It makes it difficult for us when providing upper modular components to complete the project. We decided to move forward by partnering with Polycore Canada and introducing a Polycore wall system, which is a steel-studded wall system with polystyrene insulation. Incorporating this into our construction here at the plant with an open joist system, triple rim joists, and a fully developed finished basement, which would include your floor coverings, your tape and paint finish, your washrooms, your bedrooms, furnace room, and any other utility services. We also believe that there is a new market for us in urban centers like the City of Edmonton and Fort McMurray, where there is a need for rental accommodations and legal basement suites. We believe by completing our basement legal suite in a short amount of time that we will now be able to provide clients in Fort McMurray and Edmonton with a completed product at a quicker time frame, allowing them to generate cash flow immediately in which to service their mortgages. The primary advantages of the modular basement is that we are building here at Northplex an 150,000 square foot controlled environment. The basement will be completed start to finish, and then we ship to site. We're building under a CSA label. We also have the foundations engineered. We also have an R32 R value in that basement foundation system, which will be higher than what is normally included in concrete foundations with frost walls. We are going to be having a green effect with the completion of this basement, and that there will be a smaller carbon footprint on site with less construction workers on site during the course of completion of a home. We are also having green technology incorporated in that we're building in a controlled environment here at Northplex. We have little waste of our building materials, and in fact the customers are getting a well-controlled, quality-built product. The construction time frame for completion of a modular product is also substantially lower than a normal stick-built product. We will build in 30 days within our plant. We will ship to site and install by crane all three components of a two-story, being the modular foundation, the main floor, and the second floor in one day. We expect that it will take 30 days on site to turn around that product and have it ready for occupancy by the client. So we have reduced the time frame. We have also reduced the amount of on-site traffic. We have reduced the carbon footprint. We have incorporated green technology into our construction. Several advantages that this industry is starting to incorporate into its product and gain acceptance in the marketplace. I believe that this product, the modular basement, will become a main staple in the housing industry in the years to come, and is a big win for the modular industry and Northplex Limited.